happy Sunday, happy Sunday fun day, or happy soul food Sunday. So you all, today we are making us some black eyed peas, no meat. So just continue to watch if you're interested. And yeah, this should be really good. I can't wait to eat it. So we just mixing it. You all see I put the onions, the garlic, the bell pepper. Okay, the black eyed peas have been boiling for about 30 minutes, I would say. I also added some kale. You can use greens, whatever you like. Okay, and then we're also gonna have some spinach because these are just gonna be like some veggie black eyed peas, right? Absolute no meat, just in case the kids would like to eat some. And then these are the seasonings that I use. Now you're gonna season how you want it, over, under, or right in the middle. I under season mine, that way I can add, okay? Always add you some kind of broth because that's how you're gonna get that good flavor, okay? And just add just a little bit of spice, not too much. I don't like my stuff too hot, but you hear that sound, right? Okay, now that you can see that I'm cooking up in this kitchen, we're gonna add us some tomatoes crushed. Instead of adding tomatoes, I'm kind of going a little southern with it today. We got us some bindi, which is okra that I get from the Indian store because their prices are always good, and I don't want to deal with the fresh because I don't feel like cutting it up, right? Okay, so then I'm just going to add a little bit of corn because remember, I'm feeling a little southern. So black-eyed peas and corn, and we got some greens or kale, and then we got that okra, and we just stirred it up. You can see how it turned red. It said it was real clear at the beginning, and then I got to leave for a minute. So we're going to turn this down real, real low, okay? Now, I forgot to tell you, I did add a little butter, and I also added some garlic powder. But in the meantime, in between time, I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, so I'm back home. And we're going to go ahead and turn the eye back up. Hello, I made it back, guys. Yes. So I did stop and get some fresh lamb chops. I'm going to make two so I can have some fresh lamb from the halal. I just added some padilla and that's it. Okay? Yeah. So we're having veggie black eyed peas. Now look at these black eyed peas. Now, they're looking real good. Oh, I just had to stir them up and then stir them up. And then stir them up, and then stir them up. Is it stir or steer? Anyway, so we added some cornstarch. If you can also add flour, but the cornstarch is so much easier, I've learned. Okay, so now we're just gonna have a quick taste test just to see if they're done, so hang tight. Now, our lamb chops are done. It smells so good, right? All right, so now let's have our taste test. Yeah. They all right. They all right. Got that little taste in there. I did that. Yeah. Okay. So now let's go ahead and make our drink of the month. So we got lime. We got kiwi. All right. Cut your kiwi up. Once you cut them up, you're going to mash and 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 mash. Okay. So just continue to mash. All right, use what you have. I'm using like the end of an ice cream scooper, and you all can see right there I'm just really like mashing and digging because I really want to get the taste in the drink. All right, so now our lamb chops are done, so we are going to turn those off because it's Sunday fun day and we having some food. All right, so let's go ahead and make sure that you fill your glass with plenty of ice. This is going to make your drink. It's going to make or break it. Let's just say that, okay? So I have the ice in there, Torani kiwi syrup, and then sparkling lemonade from Trader Joe's, okay? It is so good. It's so sparkly, you all. Oh, just yummy. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and add a spoon of the mix, which is the kiwi, and your lime, all right? And then you're going to do about 3/4 of your cup. Maybe a little more, maybe about 3/4, maybe just a little more. Okay, and then pour your kiwi syrup, okay? And then, of course, you are going to mix it really good because you want everything to just mix very well. If you have a cocktail shaker, you can use that as well. We're going to go ahead and garnish it with some kiwi. Yeah, and then we're going to do that mint. Oh, my goodness, you all. This is April. the 13th in non-alcoholic beverage, just to say, you know what? Treat yourself. Don't beat yourself, all right? And y'all, I'm telling you right now, this is good. It is a must try. It's yummy. My daughter thinks so too. Like, we both just enjoy it. So I couldn't just make me one. I had to make her one because I'm not the only one in the house, right? So I'm making it twice. You all can see. So you cannot make a mistake, okay? So anyway, that one's done. Gonna go ahead and give it to her. What's left, we're gonna throw that in the freezer now. My plate is ready. My beans are just a little cooled down. We got some sweet potatoes that I made yesterday. We have the cornbread and we got the lamb. Lamb was a little tough. I think I may have just overcooked it. I was chewing on it for a while, okay? I'm like, oh my goodness. But anyway, these black-eyed peas were hot, so I had to let them cool down. And then I kept trying to try them, but then I was burning my tongue, burning my lip. I said, let me just wait. But yeah, so then I had to dip it because, you know, you got to have that cornbread with it, you know? Yes, you got to have that cornbread with it, for sure. And that just sets it off. This week I had eggs, so I made cornbread instead of hot water cornbread because y'all know eggs is high. So that was the whole reason how come I did hot water cornbread. Now, see, that's this meat I'm talking about. It was just a little tough. It was all right. It was edible, you know, and then, you know, just all the flavor is in the bone, right? So I had to, you know, work on that just a little bit. But you all, once again, happy Sunday, fun day. And these sweet potatoes, baby, they was on point because they sat overnight and that makes them just a little better. This girl can cook and she knows she can. Oh, and then we got to get just a little sip of that drink again. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? Just green, green, and green, baby. That drink, that's it right there. I'm going to tell you. Whew, I don't know what we're going to choose next month, but right now, I had to get another taste of my black-eyed peas and my cornbread and my sweet potatoes. Now, you know when your food is good, when you do your happy dance, right? I'm just enjoying it. What did you make for Sunday? Look how hot it is. It's still hot once I stirred it up, right? It's so good. What did you make for Sunday dinner? Did you make anything? Hopefully you are inspired. Maybe you'll have some next week. Or maybe you will make what I made next week. And then we got to go back because we got to just get, you know, we got to work with that bone just a little bit. Gotta do my happy dance because I'm in my happy place. So I've been called fat, but you know what? I'm fat and I'm beautiful and I'm happy. And that's really what matters, right? And I had to just brush my shoulders off, baby, because I did that today. Oh, and then I just had to have just a little more swig of my drink. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.